Hello YouTube. Today is November 24th, 2014. Weather event here in southwestern Ohio. As you can see, the wind is blowing. I have measured gusts up to 52 miles an hour. So, wind is blowing. It was 60 degrees earlier this morning. Now it's down into the mid 50s. They say it's going to fall down to the low 40s. Lots of angry black looking clouds. Turn this way. Sun shining. Raining a little bit. There's the old CB antenna waving in the breeze. It's not a constant wind. It's just real gusty at times. It's starting to rain a little bit now. Vultures up there flying. Anyway, wind blowing 50 plus miles an hour southwestern Ohio.